Thank you, Honourable Speaker. I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on National Security, Defence and Foreign Relations on a matter of national concern regarding deaths and injuries sustained by some members of the public during the public viewing of the late Right Honourable Raila Odinga's body at both the Moi International Sports Centre, Kasarani, and the Nyayo National Stadium on 16th and 17th October, respectively. Mr. Speaker, the majority of these deaths arose from acts of police action against unarmed civilians and need urgent investigative and remedial action. A few others were occasioned by stampedes caused by the said police action. It is unfortunate, Honourable Speaker, that even after years of Right Honourable Odinga having to live under a cloud of state brutality and torture, his own funeral was turned into a theatre of more brutality against unarmed citizens, leading to their unnecessary deaths. The silence over these deaths and the acts of police brutality has been characteristically loud, yet the families have been sent into double mourning for their own and that of the Right Honourable Odinga. In the statement, the committee should address the following. Number one, the exact number of deaths and injuries arising from the events at both stadiums during the funeral ceremonies, detailing the cause of death in each case, and where police bullets were the cause, the progress of investigations to establish culpability for immediate prosecution. Secondly, measures in place to ensure that compensation for deaths and injuries from the two stated days will be extended to the families of the departed. I thank you, Honourable Speaker.